Good day everyone, my name is Steve Dev and I want to show you on how you can set up your anti-gravity. It's very simple, but it's just a step by step. First of all, we want to know what is anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is built by Google, and it has an IDE, also have a chat box where you can chat with it to build this stuff like website, applications and all of that. So in this video we are going to be seeing how we can download Antigravity and set it up. So this video is going to be like the part 1. I will show you on how to download Antigravity. First of all, we'll start by going to the website. My keyboard is having some issues, so I'm using the on-screen keyboard. So let's type Antigravity. You can see. Let me type the full. Alright, this is actually Antigravity IDE, just like VS Code. So you download it, and that's all. Once you start downloading it, you see the pop-up here that it is downloading. After downloading, you go to your files, which is your download. Go to your files, go to your download. When you get to your download, you see it here. This is mine already. Antigravity and all of that. This is mine. So you try to install it. After the installation, you open it. So after installing, you go down to here. You see it on your taskbar. Then you click it and you open it. So this is basically on how to download Antigravity, and this is the chat box. It is very powerful, trust me. It is very, very powerful. If you are not conversant with it, go and try it out. It is a powerful one, and it's good for build whatever you want to build. And I'll be dropping a video part 2 on which AI model is actually good for building stuff and all of that. So I'll be dropping the part 2 of this video. Thank you.